Don't try this at home.
For those who didn't know, he's a member of the Zimbabwe Republic Police. So when you are resisting arrest, this is what you're resisting to.
Home ground advantage. Home ground advantage.